They will be becoming Deadpool, and I have no time to explain, so just hit the like and subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get inside the game. We're not gonna be winning every time because we're only using a secondary and a melee, but let's just hope that it works. Oh my gosh, why did I pick arena? They're gonna literally use. I guess we can use the med kit. No, we can't use the med kit. It's cheating. Now when I pick arena, they're using the RPG, and I should get on high ground. He's so lucky. He's actually so lucky that he's a troll. There's actually no way to win. I need to medkit up. There's no way. Because why would I have to go against an RPG player? Why does everyone have the RPG now? And why can't I just block a shot? That'll be much better. I'm keeping my high ground. You RPG player, I need to destroy you. Goodbye. Oh my gosh. No, what? No! I thought I was dead. Oh my! Oh, I'm then he's shooting my body. I wish I wasn't playing as Deadpool, so I didn't have to use a melee and a secondary. I guess in RPG player. After all, my video is called Becoming Deadpool, so I have to keep that promise with you guys. Well, Spider-Man, I'll be able to use the RPG because I'm pretty sure that can boost you, and Spider-Man's web is like boosting. Oh my gosh, come on, no, please. Oh my gosh. You are serious, you are not serious right now, dude. There's only one way to defeat the RPG. It's to use a different weapon other than secondaries and melees. I think he's one shot. Oh, yes, we won one round. I won one round because I actually locked in. I bet we're gonna lose. You can already see the answer right there. I'm gonna lose. Let's kill him with the revolver, please. What? Oh my gosh, it was 3. Revolver's OP, but you can't defeat an RPG player with only revolver and katana. Got him. What is he gonna do? I'll hit that. Holy smokes, I'm gonna die. Never mind, I haven't died yet, so that means I'm not gonna die. Oh, no, I need to get on high ground. Come on. No, please. Come on. Get out of that. You have been living there for for infinite years. Watch this. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm actually so dead. Oh. Yep. GG's. It's okay. That's the first round. We only lost because they're using an RPG. So let's hope we can get a non-RPG player. That'll be really good. At least we won one round. One round is good enough for me. As Deadpool, I must not pick arena because they're gonna obviously RPG. Yes, not a good player. That means no, please, no. Yes, I can basically use any gun except for the melee and secondary. I'm gonna need to use medkit because they might use RPG. I'll keep medkit just for the hand, just for a bit. I wish you could do a backstab just like in Deadpool where he can stab them. But now you can't. backstab them. Use katana. Deadpool cannot do that, but I'm not dead. I'm Liam. Liam Pool. Don't call me a fool for making that name up. It's a cool name. Watch this. I have a chance at winning. It's in my territory. It's in my territory. Buddy, you are not gonna win anymore. Ah! Holy ah! Let's go! First win of the day. Second win in one round of the day. Sheesh, I look good in Deadpool. Like and subscribe if you guys. Comment down below if you think I should make my avatar Deadpool forever. Please don't. What the? Why did he just die? Why did he just die? I feel like he died for no reason. I don't know why did he die. Sorry if I'm going AFK, guys. Okay. Oh, I see you. You're not gonna fool me. I'm not one of those fools. What's this? Katana! He shot himself. What's up, shotgun person? I should have been. I'm gonna kill you with the katana. I'm gonna kill you. Let's go. Fourth round. I'm in third. I guess. We are absolutely destroying. He literally died once. I get sometimes you don't need. Sometimes the skill doesn't call for me. I don't call for skill. The skill calls for me. Why can't I shoot? Huh? Okay, you are. What's up? You act. No way he's using the daggers at the last round. I can't use the katana against him. Oh no! He's using the bow! He's acting. He just fell out the void. Oh no! He's using the bow, guys. The bow. He left! Let's go! Let's go! We won the first round. We won a round as Deadpool. Let's keep on playing some 1v1. I can't. Maybe Deadpool is such trash. Maybe Deadpool has something secret. You guys probably. And I'm using the katana because look at the back of me. I have two katanas. The deagle is somewhere. I don't know. I know. Deadpool uses the. Oh, guys. You guys want me? If you guys want me to get the deagle skin, I will, and I'll get the gold. No cap. Remember, Deadpool got gold deagles. Got the gold deagles. Double deagle. Hit that like, subscribe button if you want me to get that, and comment. Comment two things. If you want me to keep this avatar on, and if you want me to get the gold deagle. I don't have the deagle skin, I'll get the deagle, and then I'm gonna get the gold. I think that's my fourth gold video. That's gonna be my fourth gold video. Let's go on Docs. Oh no, 86 player. I already know he's gonna smoke me. Because many people are very good. You can tell that he's very good. Because he's on PC. And he's not capped. Okay. Oh no, he knows the flashbang. Oh my gosh, why don't you shoot me? Come on, shoot me when I put on my katana. Gotcha! Ah, you thought. I'm the dodge master. Never mind, I took one guys, I think this is our third match, and he's already hacking. I think this is a hacker. How, I don't understand. How did he just snipe me that quick? I was down below. He couldn't have sniped me, and he didn't miss that shot when I. Why would you miss that shot, Mr. Good Player? Yeah, you missed. You missed me. Let's go sneakily enough. Oh no. Why am I reloading? I don't know. So close. Oh, yes, yes, yes. He won one round. Now the second round, I got him. Okay, we need to just keep on using the revolver to destroy him. It's a ranged weapon. Revolver is basically a very good weapon. I saw your flash ring. You're not gonna get me. Oh my gosh, let's go. I perfectly timed that. That was smooth. Sheesh. Sheesh. Why can't I stop saying sheesh now? I don't think he was even ready for that. Gotcha. Probably, I think when he just saw my avatar, he really. Oh no, I shot. I'm busted. This person. He thought he was slick for moving backwards like this, but then he just died. That's why I don't move backwards into the void, man. That's why. I can see why I like to push people off the void. I can see why my friend likes to get freeze rate off the void. How did he hit me? Like a katana block. Gotcha. Oh no. Oh frick. Okay, we need to go retreat. Okay, we're gonna need to really retreat. Okay, make it draw. Make it draw. Go by katana out so that I can block. 3, 2, 1, block! Oh, let's go! I was on the roof. That must have been embarrassing. He knows my strat. I'm gonna go on the roof. Now I know his strat. Never mind, I do not know his strat. What? Okay, he's really good. He's actually. This is why I don't like going against people who are really, really good. Like Slingshot Bobby, I'm not gonna go against him. He's obviously gonna destroy me. I did destroy him 3 rounds, and now I'm losing. Got him. I think if you just. Oh my gosh. I think if you just keep on clicking. Eventually you'll hit, so that means they will take damage. I think I'm not timing it right. What? Ah, I can see his crosshair. This might be our second round that we lose. Our second match that we lose. You don't like to be next. You don't like to be next door. You can hit him with the shotgun once and just not kill him. I wish I katana right there. Let's cut off some fruits before we lose. It feels great to cut off fruits before we lose because what the? Oh, he was right there. I'm gonna say GG. Alright, let's do another match. We have won one match and we lost 2 matches. That's not gonna help our career of Deadpool. After this match, it's the last match. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now it's time that we lock in. I hope. We're going to docks. Oh no, it's so different, like construct. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I have to. The rules.
Stop kicking.
The rules are rules. Why did I pick that? I don't. I hate that I picked that. I'm literally gonna rage if I pick that one more time. Okay. How did he shoot me? I swear I was blocking, and he still Gotcha. I don't be standing still. I'm actually gonna lose. As Deadpool. I'm not. I don't think. Oh no! I died. 2 times in a row I fell off the map. 2 times. I won't expect my strategy now. So I'm gonna. Come on, go faster, go faster, go faster, go faster. Ah! Oh, I hit him. I panicked so hard that I actually hit him. Also, he was using the crossbow, so he couldn't take damage from katana. That's actually busted. Oh yes, I'm clutching up. Oh yeah, I just realized what are we gonna use if he's using crossbow, and if I can't get near him, and if I have no more bullets in my revolver, that's gonna be really bad. Holy smokes! I tried to medkit mid-fight. But I don't know how. I put the G. You guys saw that. Like, my medkit was like moving. I don't know why did I not medkit. Can you stop running? I'm actually getting tired of him running. How? Okay, it's GG's. Might as well try our best. Make some movement. Why not hit him once? I should have hit him once. Oh, GG's. Peace out, guys. Why? Okay.